Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. Today we will see how to find great companies in US stock market. For this, we will go to a website, simply Wall Street. We will go to the platform directly. We can log in here. After that, we can choose the market US, as this website shows data for different markets of the world. This is the section of the screener. We can filter the companies in different ways, like market or industry type, or advanced filters like market cap, return on capital employed, etc. So let's start with how to use a screener. First, select the market, mainly NASDAQ and NYSE, New York Stock Exchange. Now we will use some advanced filters. These should be simple. Everything in the stock market is simple, don't try to complicate anything. We should select a market cap above 10 million US dollar. Use return on equity from 15 to 50%. Use debt to equity ratio up to 50%. And you can hide the secondary listing as well. We have got approx 400 companies, and these are already sorted by high to low market capitalization. But one thing to remember is banks didn't come in these 400 companies, as banks' work is to take loans and give loans, so debt to equity ratio will be higher. For this case, we choose banks in the industry type, and we will deselect the debt to equity filter. Now we have got 60 companies approx. From both the screenings, we will take approx 220 companies from here and 30 companies from banks. So now we have 250 great companies with which we can trade safely. You don't need to watch so many companies. If you trade in these companies, you can generate a huge wealth. So this is all for today, and if you like the video, please like and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. As it's the beginning, we have a lot to come. Also comment on what exactly you want to know about US stock market. Thank you, bye, see you soon.